the term multimedia. Multimedia is a field or a system concerned with computer-controlled integration or combination of text, animation, graphics, audio, video, images, and any other form of media which can represent, store, transmit, and process all information digitally. After defining the term multimedia, it will be good to briefly describe the components of multimedia. Text. Text is the use of a set of signs or symbols. Text can be mainly used for title and headings, labels and captions, menu, navigation, content. Graphics. Graphics are usually generated by a graphics editor program. It is a two-dimensional figure or illustration which can be produced manually by drawing or painting. Animation. Animation is basically the illusion of motion created by the consecutive display of images of static elements. It is mostly used to add some visual impacts to any multimedia application. Audio. It can provide the listening pleasure of music. In multimedia applications, the audio basically comes in different forms such as speech or sound effects. Video. In an interactive multimedia application, the video component plays an essential role by capturing, recording, processing, transmitting, and reconstructing the moving pictures.